यानी टोटल और एक्स्ट्रा 5 लाख रुपीस का प्राइस अतुल जैन सर ने आपके लिए रखा है यहाँ पे। एंड ब्यूटीफुल मेडल सबके लिए आफ्टर प्राइवेट ट्यूशन, कैश इंसेंटिव सबके लिए कैश प्राइजेस है। सिर्फ कोई जल्दी मत करो कि हमारी फ्लाइट है, हमारा ट्रेन है, सिर्फ प्राइवेट ट्यूशन के बाद एक कैश इंसेंटिव आपको सबको मिलेगा, सिर्फ पेरेंट्स एंड प्लेयर्स। एंड जो सर्टिफिकेट है वो ऑल इंडिया चेस फेडरेशन से आफ्टर 15 डेज में अपलोड हो जाएंगे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे।
So today I am joined with under 11 national champion Arith Kapil. Arith, how are you?
I'm fine.
You just finished your round and you are under 11 national champion. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling very well.
You are feeling very good.
Very good.
tell us something about your last game and the whole tournament. How was your experience?
My experience was good, and the last game actually, I wasn't feeling good in night, so that's why I draw in something like for 14, 15 moves.
So you were sick last night, and so you decided to play calmly today, and you managed to draw your last game.
Yes.
Yes. Also, who is your coach with whom you are working right now?
My coach is Vishal Sareen, sir.
And you go to school or you play chess only?
No, I never go to school.
You go to school daily?
No, I never go. I
Why?
never go to school.
You never go to school,
Never.
just for exams.
Yes.
Okay. So, how do you prepare with coach, and in your rest of the time, what else do you do apart of chess?
Actually, I only do chess.
You only do chess whole day.
Yes.
Other
Sometimes
sports?
yeah, I don't like the sports.
Video
Uh,
games?
No, I don't like
No.
that. Only I do some physical exercise, but not chess.
You play some physical sports or you do physical exercise?
Physical exercises.
Okay, so your whole schedule is surrounded around chess only,
Yes.
and for extra you do physical exercises.
Yes.
Do you have friends? How do you what do you do on rest days?
I
To play with your friends?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So right now, after winning the national championship, what is your next goal? What is your next tournament?
Mm, Actually, it's like a national under 13.
National under 13. And are you playing in cadets?
I don't know.
You don't know, it's still not confirmed.
Mm.
Okay, so national 13 is the next goal.
Mm.
So you will just go home right now
Mm.
and enjoy your time,
Yes.
and then you will be back on the board
Yes.
practicing and performing under 13 nationals. Also, Adik, you are very strong player. You play online chess a lot, right?
Yes.
You usually play Title Tuesday and a very
Freestyle
big
Friday.
news.
And Freestyle Friday.
Okay, so you play Freestyle Friday also.
Yes.
You like freestyle?
Yes.
What do you think? Which is better, freestyle or normal chess? What do you like to play more?
Freestyle chess.
Why freestyle chess? You don't have to prepare openings.
Yes.
Just creative chess, and you can play whole day
Yes.
without opening preparation.
Yes.
And one very big news is this, that you drew your game against Magnus Carlsen.
Yes.
What were you thinking when you were playing against Magnus Carlsen? Did you there are two modes on chess.com. One is where you cannot see your opponent name and rating. Were you playing in that, or you knew that you are paired against Magnus Carlsen and you are playing against him?
No, now actually I didn't see my opponent's rating, but at that time I assumed my opponent's name is Magnus Carlsen, and it was very surprising for me.
So it was very surprising for you. And when you managed to hold him on a draw, what were you feeling at that time?
I couldn't believe it. I draw.
Amazing. That's very insane, and that shows your chess understanding and your strength, that even in such short format you are holding the world best player into a draw.
Yes.
Also, you were the youngest player to defeat the Grandmaster, and third youngest in the world to defeat
Yes.
the Grandmaster last year in 15 kit, right? So what were you feeling at that time?
I was feeling good.
So whenever you play, you are confident, right? You have won against Grandmaster, you have drawn against the world best player. So now you play against any higher rated opponent, 2200, 2400, 2500. Do you feel any pressure or you feel confident like I have drew against the best player in the world, so it would be easy for me?
No, every single time I will be confident.
Every time you are confident. So rating doesn't scare you anymore.
Yes.
That's amazing. Which was your favorite game in the tournament?
In round 6.
In round 6, it was against Advik, right?
Yes.
Advik is the top seed of this tournament, no?
Yes.
And you managed to outplay him in the
Mm.
round 6. Harith, will you show us your favorite game of this tournament?
Yes.
It
Okay.
was from round 6 against Advik, right?
Yes.
Yes, let's start.
We played E4.
On move c5, you thought for like 15-20 minutes.
Yes.
Why? This was the first move.
Actually, I didn't prepared anything and I was thinking, should I play E5 or C5?
Okay, continue.
We played G6. And this was something new to me actually.
You were expecting d4
Yes.
from his side, but he played something new, bishop c.
Yes. Mhm. And let us see on and then castle and c6 and bishop f4 and I have a weakness on d6 and
Yes, you have weakness on d6 and bishop on c8 looks
Yes.
little bad.
yes, but I can open it with b6 and bishop b7. Yes, yes. And he played this and then I'm gone knight f5. Actually, I don't know why didn't he gone bishop a3 actually.
What he played?
He played bishop g3.
Okay.
Let's see took. After bishop c2, I played bishop a6. E1 rook e1. And then played knight e6. He took and I took. And I don't know why did he played bishop d6 actually. And probably just missed bishop takes b2. With b1, bishop c3, probably he missed this idea.
Yes.
So he played e5 and I took, he took, and I won knight f5. Actually, this bishop is quite strong, so that's why I wanted to eliminate this bishop. He won queen c1, and then I think I played f6, which was a mistake.
Yes. Because now you allow queen to f6.
Yes. Something like king g7 or something is making moderated. And then I let his queen come. And this was a blunder. He should have played this.
And
And he
now
was
from
winning.
bishop,
Yes. And if I'm going to take them, there's devastating attacks.
yes.
But he played h4.
The queen h6, now he can take on f6, right?
Yes, but he didn't, and he played h4.
He played h4.
And then I played this. He played this. Takes. Take. Take. Yes. Takes. And then I played f5. And he played rook here. And then pawn here. Queen e8. He gone here and I want bishop b7. And then he played rook c7. If I'm going to take, then he can take and then take here. and then it's better for him. So I played queen g6, and he took. Then he played knight e1, and after this he won check, king h7, and then he won queen e8.
Yes.
His idea is to play bishop f8.
At this point, position looks
Yeah, it is equal,
it's
But-
equal, but
but I'm in
Somehow
some
it's
under.
comfortable for white.
Yes.
Or it's equal because he cannot move his knight and
Yes.
you cannot play much.
Yes.
Knight
I
c4.
got knight c4, and now he is a little better, I think, because I can't take because of queen f7, king h8, and bishop e7.
Yes.
And on queen g6, he checked, and I played this. He played this. Yes, he played this. After this, he played this, and like this. He's going. If I'm going to play king h7 again, now he's going to take.
Yes.
So that's why I played a5.
Okay.
And I think from here it was the turning point. I think was when he played this. Hang on here, bishop f6, queen g8. Actually, I was under a lot of pressure, and then he played queen e7, and winning on b5 goes f4. His idea is to play bishop g5. And actually I saw a line here and I played that queen g3. I was thinking that she will play queen f7, then I'll just check this and let's in repetition draw.
Good.
But he played queen f8, and then here actually the only move is bishop h4 to survive here.
Because even knight is moving.
Because after takes you have knight d3, and then it's something perpetual. I think.
Knight d3, what's the continuation then?
I think there's some perpetual.
But still, it's very hard to bind, no? Bishop
Yes.
h4.
Yes, and he didn't. Actually, in this whole sequence, he didn't. So king takes f4 actually.
Yeah,
And
he was
then
playing very confidently, and when you took the pawn on f4, and it looked like he completely missed out that the pawn on f4 is
Yes.
unsupported. And
yes,
from here,
now
no
I'm
more checks are
confident.
coming. The game is like completely out of white hand, and black is better.
Yes, now black is completely winning
Yeah.
actually. After queen h6, king e4, knight f3, knight e3, and he played takes, but in this all last this
Now
pawn
you have two
hangs.
passer pawn, and at this
Yes.
point,
He-
he resigned.
Yes,
Okay, this was an amazing game, and
Yes.
thank you so much for showing your game and giving us your time. And we wish you all the best for your upcoming tournaments. And once again, congratulations for winning Under 11 championship.
thank you.
So today I'm
Arit Kapil.
Yeah.
Arit Kapil mother.
Arit Kapil Mother.
Yes.
Ma'am, Arit just won the national championship under 11. How are you feeling right now?
I am very happy.
You are very happy.
Yes.
Tell us something about Arit.
आरित इज़ अ वेरी गुड प्लेयर एंड ये जब इसने स्टार्ट किया था तो ये 5 साल का था और तब से इसने अभी तक अच्छा ही खेला है हमेशा, तो हम हमेशा ही खुश रहते हैं इससे.
Ma'am, who is his coach and team?
विशाल सरीन सर,
Okay.
ही
And
इज़ IM.
do you also play chess, or maybe someone in family who play chess? From them he got inspired.
Actually
and he started playing?
we play chess as a hobby player.
Okay.
But we are not skilled.
So-
in this profession.
So when did like first this happened that Aryan decided कि he wanted to play chess and he got his
Actually,
interest in the game?
that time when the corona spread all over the world, as you know, it is I think it was 2019
Yes, 2019 COVID-19.
कोविड-19 तो उस टाइम हम कुछ ढूंढ रहे थे, कुछ इंडोर गेम बच्चे को दें, तो चेस से बेटर कुछ और दिखा नहीं, तो वही हमने इसे पकड़ा दिया और तभी से इसकी जर्नी शुरू हो गई.
And as a professional player also after that?
एक्चुअली एक ऑनलाइन टूर्नामेंट था जो हमने इसको कराया और इसने 1 by 1 सारे गेम जीते. 10 गेम थे उस टूर्नामेंट में और हम लोग बड़े सरप्राइज थे कि कैसे एक 5 साल का बच्चा और अंडर 7 कैटेगरी ऑनलाइन टूर्नामेंट जीत रहा है. और तो बस वहीं से इसकी जर्नी शुरू हो गई और हम लोगों ने इसको प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करनी शुरू कर दी उस टाइम से.
So he started playing online, he started winning. It's very surprising. And also one thing very surprising in the chess world is that a 10-year-old kid holded Magnus Carlsen against a draw.
Yes, it was very surprising for me too. एक्चुअली उस टाइम पर हम लोग जॉर्जिया में थे, अंडर 10 वर्ल्ड कप खेलने के लिए गए थे और जस्ट फॉर प्रैक्टिस इसने टाइटल ट्यूसडे टूर्नामेंट ज्वाइन कर लिया और लकीली राउंड 2 इसका मैग्नस के साथ पेयरिंग आ गई और उस टाइम पर ये बहुत खुश था कि मुझे मैग्नस मिला एज ए ओपोनेंट. और जब इसका इवन आप अगर आप गेम देखेंगे तो 90% होल्ड उसमें आरिद का ही है उस गेम में, लेकिन ड्यू टू टाइम प्रेशर इसको ड्रॉ से सेटिस्फाइड होना पड़ा.
Okay. And when he mentioned that I drew against Magnus Carlsen, what were your emotions at that time?
Unbelievable. As you know, आई थिंक ये गलत नहीं होगा कि मैग्नस जो है वो गॉड हैं चेस
Yes.
में, तो हम तो ये सोच भी नहीं सकते कि ये ड्रॉ भी ले पाएगा एट द एज ऑफ 9.
Yes, at the age of 9.
जी.
And he is also the youngest player in India to beat a grandmaster and third youngest player to beat the
Yes,
grandmaster.
yes.
So at that point, what were you thinking? Like in every point in his life, he is performing really well.
यस सर.
So
एक्चुअली जब भी इसको कोई हायर रेटेड प्लेयर मिलता है या ऐसा प्लेयर जिसका जो मतलब अनबीटेबल है एक तरीके से, जब भी ऐसा कोई प्लेयर मिलता है इसे, तो ये पता ही नहीं इसके अंदर कहाँ से वो क्वालिटी आ जाती है कि ये मतलब फियरलेस खेलता है. और उस टाइम पे अगर आप इसका गेम देखेंगे तो आपको कहीं ये नहीं लगेगा कि एक 9 साल का बच्चा किसी GM या इतने हाईली रेटेड प्लेयर के साथ खेल रहा है.
also off the board, he is a very quiet kid. He doesn't speak a lot, but on the board, he is very laser focused.
यस.
So at home, how he is?
एक्चुअली आप ये कह सकते हैं कि एक्सप्लेन करने में ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं है, ये एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाता, लेकिन बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो कि एज ए स्किल्ड ये उन्हें यूज़ करता है.
Also, is he managing studies right now? Is he going to regular school, or right now, after so many achievements, you have decided that he should pursue a professional career in chess?
एक्चुअली राइट नाउ ही इज़ इन क्लास 5th और क्लास 5th में जब से आया है तब से ये जो है अभी स्कूल नहीं जा रहा है, सिर्फ एग्ज़ाम में ही जाता है. तो एग्ज़ाम से पहले आप कह सकते हैं कि 7 or 8 days बिफोर द एग्ज़ाम ये तैयारी शुरू करता है एग्ज़ाम की, और एग्ज़ाम दे के फिर वापस आ जाता है और फिर चेस कंटिन्यू करता है.
And apart from chess, does he do something else like any other sports?
फिज़िकल एक्सरसाइज.
Physical exercise he do?
हाँ, आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि ये कोई मतलब फुटबॉल खेलता है या बास्केटबॉल खेलता है, कुछ ऐसा नहीं करता है. लेकिन हाँ, अगर पार्क में बच्चे बास्केटबॉल खेल रहे हैं तो ये बास्केटबॉल भी खेल सकता है, फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं तो फुटबॉल भी खेल सकता है, लेकिन मोटिव एक ही रहता है कि फिज़िकल एक्सरसाइज हो किसी भी तरीके से.
So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining, and once again, congratulations.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.